I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth devices to your OnePlus 13. So the first thing you want to do is go to your OnePlus Bluetooth settings. So you can go into the main settings and then tap on Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is on. Alternatively, you can swipe down from the top there and then find the Bluetooth icon. You can turn it off and on from here, and then you can tap on this little arrow to open up Bluetooth and then tap on more, and that takes you to the main Bluetooth settings page. Now from here, anytime Bluetooth is turned on, which you should turn on if it's not on, it's going to be scanning for available devices to connect to. And so what you want to do is put the Bluetooth device you want to connect to your OnePlus in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now it could be a speaker, it could be headphones, it could be AirPods, whatever it is. Every Bluetooth device has a way of putting it in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now for this particular one, all I have to do is turn it on and then press the Bluetooth button, and that should put this speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now anytime a device is in Bluetooth pairing mode, it's going to get discovered by the phone. Okay, so you can see I'm just going to go back to Bluetooth pairing mode. So as you can see, it has been detected, and all I have to do now is tap on it, and then it's going to ask for Bluetooth pairing request. Tap on pair, and it's going to get connected. It's really that simple. And that is basically how to connect a Bluetooth device to your OnePlus 13. Now, since this is a JBL Flip 6, that's why it's giving me this pop-up trying to save this and trying to make me download the app for this speaker. But that is basically how you would connect any Bluetooth device to your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, possibly even subscribe for more tips. I'd really appreciate that, and good luck.